What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with another video on this absolutely terrible Friday. It's actually snowing right now where I'm living, which is crazy because it's literally October 30th. It shouldn't be snowing, but in today's video, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at the short term, the medium term, and the long term time frame charts. Also the Bitcoin dominance and the total market cap for cryptocurrency to see what all those things are currently doing. If that sounds good to you guys, let's jump right on in to the video. As we jump right on into the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin, as you guys can see, we're in two patterns at the moment on the 4-hour. We are currently in the symmetrical triangle. If you look at this red line going straight down here and this green line going straight up here, right? We've got multiple touches on the top of this triangle, right? Multiple wicks and multiple touches on the bottom of this triangle. We're getting rejected at the triangle right now. So it is possible that we can come back down and retest this, which will bring us back down almost to that $13,100 level in the next couple 4-hour candles. And we could just keep popping around in this until we break out of that symmetrical triangle. Also, guys, we're in this little bit longer term, you could call it a bear flag, but it's kind of just this flag that's flying high in the air, and I think it's going to push us up to higher levels eventually, right? Eventually, after a certain correction. But as you guys can see, we in this upwards channel here, we've gotten multiple touches on it on the top, right? We got a little bit of a fake out and then came back into it, got rejected at a couple more times there on the top, right? And on the bottom, you guys can see we got rejected at it 3 times as well. So this is pretty much a confirmed flag for me. We got a little bit of a fake out up here. That's nothing new. We see that all the time in Bitcoin, especially in cryptocurrencies. But we have two patterns playing out here. If we break out of this symmetrical triangle to the upside, look for at least the top of this, I'd say about the $13,700, $13,800 level for a possible rejection at the top of this flag if we break out of this symmetrical triangle. And if we break down out of the symmetrical triangle, we would also be breaking down out of this longer term flag. And I think a possible correction down to the 12,300 to 11,500, somewhere in that range, we're going to get a perfect bounce and then break 13,800, right? So whether we break it now, right, which would be extremely bullish, or we come back down and retest somewhere in this area, which all this confluence was at, either way, it's going to be extremely bullish for us in the long term. Now we're going to switch on over to the daily chart here for Bitcoin, guys. I said for crypto, we're looking at Bitcoin literally today. You could argue they're the same thing, but anyways, this is on the weekly time frame, so a little bit of a longer time frame chart here, right? And you guys can see I kind of highlighted this area as well. This is 11,500 to 12,300, both these levels. As long as we hold these two levels and we get a bounce in between this, if we do get a correction, that's extremely bullish for me for the long term. We're just going to be correcting and making our old resistance, which we had old resistance on this 3 times, right? All the way back here, all the way back here, and back here. If we actually come back down and retest this as support and then get a nice move back up, that would be the most bullish thing in my opinion. And I think there's not much price action for Bitcoin in between this 13,800 where we are now all the way up to all-time highs. So it's not out of the realm of impossibility that this next move could be an absolutely massive 40 to 50% move to the upside. I'm not going to say it's going to be a one candle type thing, but we could start seeing the candles that we got in the previous bull market where we got absolutely heinous moves, right? You guys can see all these big candles we had last time in the bull market. These were absolutely heinous moves. Those were like 20, 30% moves in a day. So just look out for that in the medium term to long term time frame for Bitcoin. Just a quick overview on Bitcoin because it is still just consolidating exactly where it was yesterday in yesterday's video. This is just going to be a quicker video just because I have a lot of things to do, guys. I am moving this weekend. Yes, I am moving closer to the city. Super excited for it. So just doing a quick video for you guys today. We're going to switch on over to the Bitcoin dominance chart today. And this is on the weekly time frame. We're breaking an absolutely huge, crucial level, which is so bullish for Bitcoin and might not be so good for altcoins in the short term. I think they'll get another run up, multiple run ups, guys, and not just one run up, multiple run ups. But Bitcoin is king as of right now. We broke this crucial level right here where we had resistance on it back here, broke through it, was our support, broke through it again, and now it was our resistance for a little bit, a couple days, and now we're breaking up above it, right, which is extremely bullish. This is a very important line here, and we're going to be retesting a lot of these areas up here. I think realistically, we're where we are right now, the 63.3 on the Bitcoin dominance is our next resistance point. And if we do end up just blasting through that, we could be going all the way up to 65.4. So look for more, at least if Bitcoin drops, we could be seeing the altcoins drop a little bit more percentage-wise to keep the Bitcoin dominance higher. But if Bitcoin goes up short term, we could see the altcoins follow it, but just at lower percentages until Bitcoin dominance gets a rejection. Maybe we come back down to retest this. This is when, we could be coming up something like this, coming up, Bitcoin's, getting back to 13,800. And then it gets rejected again and it comes back down, retest this line. And this right here is when the alts will absolutely pop off again, right? Every time Bitcoin pops off, the altcoins don't do as well, and then it sells off and the altcoins pop off. So just look out for that in a medium-term time frame for the altcoins, that we could be seeing them not keep up with Bitcoin percentage-wise, but they're going to have their day. Every time all these red candles here is when altcoins absolutely popped off, right? We've seen massive pop-offs for altcoins in the previous bear market, right? We had crazy one here, obviously, crazy one here. And then we just had a kind of a mini altcoin run right here, right? So look out for that. Once Bitcoin hits this next rejection, we're going to see the altcoins pop off again, right? So don't be afraid if your altcoins aren't doing that well as of right now. So we're going to jump on into the total market cap for crypto today, guys. And we're also, all these support lines are so crucial, and we're holding all of them, which is so crucial, right? So for the total market cap, we are literally getting so much buy pressure at this green line, right? Look at these bottom wicks here. These things are just getting sold off, bought right back up. Sold off, bought right back up. Sold off, back right up, right? It's just crazy. Usually we'll get a rejection here and then come straight back down. A rejection and then come straight back down. But right here, we're actually getting support, right? And this is such a prominent area for Bitcoin in the short term, right? You guys can see here, this was our resistance all throughout the bear market for crypto, right? We got one touch, we got two touches here, three touches, right? So this was our major resistance, and now we're flipping it as support, as you guys can see here, right? This is our support now, and I'm looking for us to get a bounce here, right? But you guys know that Bitcoin is due for a cool off, but based on this chart right here, and based off where we're at in the total market cap, maybe it's not, right? Maybe the total market cap is showing us that we have major support where we are right now, because this was our major resistance so many times in the bear market. Maybe we don't need a cool off point. Maybe Bitcoin can just keep flying up even higher. So that's kind of the video for today, guys. Just pretty much an overview of the market in general, and showing you guys why we shouldn't be so afraid. Bitcoin's at its major resistance, but a lot of people thinking we're going to get a correction. Maybe we don't, just based off this market cap chart. So I'm going to go move, guys. Like I said, guys, I'm not going to be making a video tomorrow or Sunday, but instead of making a video on Monday, usually I only skip Mondays. I usually upload 6 days a week, skipping Mondays. This week I'm skipping Saturday and Sunday, but I will be uploading Monday throughout the whole next week. So just want to put that out there, guys. You guys aren't wondering where I am. I know you guys probably aren't that worried about me, but I just wanted to tell you guys in case you were looking out for my videos. Much appreciated, by the way. So hope you guys enjoyed the video today, guys. Make sure you smack that like button down below. Let's try to hit 100 likes on today's video. That would be crazy for a Bitcoin video. My Bitcoin videos tend to not get as many views as the altcoin videos, so getting 100 likes on this video would actually make my day. And I hope to come back on Monday to see 100 likes on that video. And I will see you guys on Monday. Stay warm. Peace.